So, I took this same video December 18th. I always think I'm gonna approach the Rockies the same way I did in 2016 when I went backpacking in Silverton/Durango. But the Rockies don't open up like that on this road. It's still a pretty magical road though. When you go to Silverton, Colorado, you don't realize you have climbed 8,000 feet up until you get to the edge. Like if I was driving up to the edge here on the road, and all of a sudden the Rockies open up before you because you're at 8,000 feet and the peaks just appear out of nowhere. It's crazy. This is not that. We'll get you some pictures of the Rockies.